In this session, I'm going to be showing you basic PowerShell automation. Let's say, for example, you have like 2 or 4 programs that you run on a daily basis, and you want anytime you open up your computer, you can just, by the click of one button, you've run already, the programs have already started running. I'll be showing you how you can do that using PowerShell automation. This PowerShell script, I'm going to show you how we are going to configure it and make it open up let's say 2, 3 or 4 programs depending on the programs that you're going to be running. This is the command that you're going to be using: invoke item, invoke with the underscore, and then I'm going to select the program that I want to run. In my case, I'll be opening up my browser. So this is the location of the target file that I want to copy and paste it on PowerShell. Make sure that the target location for the executable file is in quotes, and you can just run it and the browser opens up automatically. And I can also do the same thing for other programs. I'll also open up form server. So the process is basically the same. Click on yes, and maybe I also open up VirtualBox, because most of the times I do some things on Kali Linux VirtualBox. I also need the VirtualBox on anytime I open up my computer. I'll repeat the same process of copying the target location for the file. Click on OK, and yeah, so all these commands can be kept in a single script. And yeah, so to edit the script, I'm going to go to PowerShell integrated scripting environment, then open it. So this is the script that I want to create, and I'll type the same commands I want to. Yeah, so this is how I'm going to type the commands: book item, and then I paste all the programs or the items that I want to open automatically. So this is the last program that I want to run on startup. Okay, I've already selected VirtualBox, so let me just select the browser. And as you can see, these scripts are, I've already run them using the command line, so I'm not going to run them. And if you're running the, you want to click on the scripts and run them automatically. Let me first of all save this as automate 2, and then just save it on there. So if I want to run these scripts automatically within one click, I have to enable PowerShell scripts in my Windows. So that's why if I run this, I'm going to get an error. It's because I'm not authorized PowerShell scripts to run by themselves. So that's due to security issues. But for this video, I'm only going to show you how you are going to execute these commands using the PowerShell command line. And as you can see, this is the only way you can do that, and you can see the programs are executing themselves within one command. So that's it for this video. Yeah, thanks for your time, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.